Welcome, today in front of me SONY Xperia Tablet Z, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then just tap on the display. Here you'll see the lock screen section, tap there and just tap on the wallpaper, and here we can select our lock screen wallpaper from our device album. That means that you can choose your photos from the your previously taken on your device photos, or from, for example, downloaded from the internet. And here also we got the Xperia wallpapers, the default wallpapers, and here we can select one from this wallpaper. For example, we can go with this one, and now just tap here to set wallpaper, wait a second, a couple of seconds, and now just we'll see. As can you see, we just changed our lock screen wallpaper successfully. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.